They are found very deep in the Amazon rainforest of South America, and they are one of the world's most beautiful birds. There are the blond crested woodpeckers. This bird lives in eastern Brazil, spreading to southern Paraguay and Argentina. The blond crested woodpeckers mostly feed on fruits, berries, ants, termites, nuts, seeds, and grains. The adults can grow to a length ranging between 27 to 30 centimeters long, and they can weigh between 110 to 165 grams. The blond crested woodpeckers have a lifespan of about 4 to 12 years in the wild.